Are you facing the issue where your Acer SSD partitions aren't showing during Windows installation? Have you spent hours searching on YouTube and Google for a solution? Don't worry. Device Doctor has the fix for you in just 2 minutes. Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings. Step 1. After pressing the power button, hit the F2 key to enter the BIOS settings of your laptop. Next, go to the Main tab and then press the Ctrl and S keys simultaneously. Now, disable the VMD controller option. Use the down arrow keys to navigate and select VMD controller. Press Enter, then choose Disable and press Enter again. Press F10 to save, select Yes, and press Enter to restart the computer. Now you can see all your drives easily and no need to install or download any applications. Use this simple method and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.